Welcome to Express API and Prisma ORM Query Fundamentals, your guide to mastering database queries using Prisma ORM and Express.js. My name is Xander and I'm your instructor for this course. Together we will explore how to build and optimize database-driven applications with Prisma ORM in a modern Express.js environment. In this course, we'll dive deep into database management using Prisma ORM, covering defining database schemas, querying data efficiently, filtering, sorting, aggregation, handling relationships, and optimizing queries for better performance. Now, whether you're a beginner learning Express.js for the first time or an experienced developer looking to enhance your query skills, this course provides hands-on, practical knowledge that you can implement and apply straight away into your real-world projects. Now, to get started, basic knowledge of JavaScript will be helpful, but no prior experience with Prisma ORM is needed. We'll cover everything step by step, ensuring that you gain confidence in working with Prisma and Express.js. There are two ways of accessing this course, the free edition here on YouTube, and for deeper learning, the full course is available for purchase at Udemy. So you'll find all the links to the resources in the video description. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for weekly coupons and free course giveaways.